So the market's picking up some steam, and if you've been waiting on the sidelines for that perfect deal to come along, you might have missed your moment. With the Bank of Canada's 0.5% rate drop just last week, December 15th mortgage rule changes are now in effect. We're not talking a sudden revolution in real estate here, but we are seeing signs that prices could start to climb and increase and could begin moving at a faster pace. It's all pointing towards a more active 2025. I'm Stephanie Nause with the Homeplicity Realty Group here at Keller Williams in Toronto, and I'm here to break down what this is going to mean for you. But before we dive in, make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button if you find this helpful, and drop any questions you might have in the comments below. So let's get into it. For buyers, these lower rates mean borrowing just got a little bit easier, and while results could vary from person to person, a half-point drop can often give you more options in your price range. Combine that with the new mortgage rules, a higher insured mortgage limit, and 30-year amortizations that are available for certain purchases, and suddenly homes that you could have written off might be back on your radar. So just be mindful of that. More affordable borrowing doesn't always mean that the home is cheaper in the long run, but it can open doors that were once closed and get you into the market. If you're currently carrying a variable rate mortgage like me, then you're seeing some real financial relief. Drop your rate by 0.5% for every $400,000 of mortgage, and you're potentially saving around $100 a month for every $400K. Factor in the previous cuts this year, and that is some meaningful cash back in your pocket. And if your mortgage is coming up for renewal soon, this could be the right time to speak to your lender about locking in something a little bit more favorable. And for our sellers, your queue. Toronto's market isn't going to transform overnight. It's not going to do that, but conditions are definitely improving. Trub's November numbers showed a 40% increase in year-over-year number of sales and a 2.6% bump in selling price. Buyers who've been waiting for the bottom are starting to realize that that ship has already sailed, and they're starting to come back into the market, and properties could start moving quicker and for a little bit more. But remember, strategy is always going to count. Smart pricing, standout presentation, and the right agent are all going to matter and make a difference in getting your home sold. If we're looking ahead, the Bank of Canada is probably going to continue nudging rates down, and we'll likely see more buyer activity as that happens. That means fewer days on market and potentially steadier price growth. So the window of opportunity for both buyers and sellers is here, and it's time to act before the market really catches fire. If you have any questions about any of these changes, I would love to connect. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment below so we can keep the conversation going. I'm here to help you make your move in 2025 and beyond. Happy holidays, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.